Okay, first, before we continue working on the book, let's review the tables. Let's review the tables because remember that we're multiplying, so we need to know the tables. Now, I'm going to ask, and if you know the answer, you can unmute your mic. Let's see, what's the answer of 7 times 7?
Yo creo
48.
48. Hello, Miss.
48.
48 or 49, says Alberto. That's right. 7 times 7 is
Hello,
49. Hello, Santiago Chavez. Excellent, Alberto. Thank you so much. Now, another question. 6 times 5.
30.
30.
Excellent. Now, 4 times 8.
32.
32. 4 times 9.
36.
36, Danny. That's right. 9 times 0.
0.
0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 1.
9.
9. That's right. Another question. 5 times 5.
25.
25. 5 times 7.
35.
5 times 7. 35. That's right. 9 times 8.
72.
72. 9 times 9.
81.
81. Great. Let's see. 10 times 0.
0.
Okay. 2 times 8.
Hello.
16.
2 times 7.
14.
That's right, Rebecca, Gabriela, Dani. 14. 3 times 8.
24.
4. 3 times 4.
12.
12. Excellent. That's right. Okay, let's start now. That's great. You continue studying the table. Remember that we use it in all 4th grade. You need it in 5th grade and all your life. So that's great. Let's continue working now with multiplications with 3 and 4 digits numbers with regrouping. Okay, here we have it. We're going to work on page 91. Page 91, class. Open your book, page 91. We have more exercises here using the steps. Here we have the step 1, 2, and 3, as you can notice here. But it says, number 1, tell what's happening in step number 1 of the problem. So we have, this is step number 1. What's happening here, class? We have 1,274 times 6. What's happening in this multiplication? Look at this, step number 1. What is happening?
One. No. That has a 2 in the 7.
Okay, and which numbers we're multiplying first?
6 times 4.
4 times 6 or 6 times 4. That's right. What's the answer of that? That one.
4.
24. That's right. So we copy number 4. We regroup, right? So that is what's happening here in step number 1. We multiply 4 times 6 or 6 times 4. Let's write it down. Multiply 6 times 4. 4 times 6 is the same. And the answer, 4 ones. Okay. 4 ones equal to 24 ones. Equal to 24 ones. So we regroup that 2. Okay, let's regroup that 2 tens and 4 ones. That's why we have the number 2 here, because it's the answer of 6 times 4, it's 24. So we have 4 ones and 2 tens. And that is the answer of number 1. That is what is happening in step number 1. We just multiply the ones and we regroup. Then what happened in step number 2? We have 1,000. It's the same exercise. And now, which numbers were multiplying in step number 2?
3 times 4. I know 4 times 6.
Okay, we multiply 4 times 6 in step number 1. In step number 2, which numbers we multiply?
7 times 6.
7 times 6. What's the answer of 7 times 6?
7 times 6.
44.
So
42.
42.
42 plus the 2 that you add. Excellent. 42 plus 2, 44. So you regroup 4 tens and 4 as hundreds.
44.
Okay, excellent. Step number 3. What happened in step number 3, class?
That is multiplying 2 times 6.
2 times 6. What's the answer of 2 times 6?
12.
12 plus 4.
4 is 16.
16.
16. We regroup the 4, so we need to add them. 16, so we write it down 600 and 1,000. Now, in step number 4.
Is multiplying 1 times 6.
1 times 6 or 6 times 1 is equal 6 plus 1. 7, right? And that's the end. That's the end of our multiplications. With step number 4, we finished, and we know that 1,274 times 6 is equal to 7,644. That is the product. Yes. If you can notice, you have to follow all these steps. Multiply the ones, multiply the tens, multiply the hundreds, and multiply the thousands. That is the multiplication.
So this exercise only memorize the tables.
Memorize the tables. Excellent, Rebecca. Yes, that's why I was telling you. You need to memorize the tables, because with that, you know how to multiply. If you know the tables, you know how to multiply, but don't forget if we need to regroup. You need to add this 4, you need to add this 2 when you are multiplying, when you are regrouping. Now let's find the product of this 603 times 4. We can make an estimation also. We can make an estimation, but the important here is to multiply this. Which numbers we're going to multiply first?
4
3
times
times
3.
4.
4 times 3 or 3 times 4. What's the answer?
12.
12. So we write number 2. Okay, write number 2 and we regroup number 1. Now, what is the next step?
4 1 plus 4.
1 plus 4 times 0.
4 times 0. And what is answer 4 times 0?
0.
0.
0. 4 times 0, 0. Plus 1.
1.
1. That's right. You have 0. But if you add 1, you have 1 now. Excellent. Now, 4 times 6.
24.
24. Okay, what we're going to do here, class? 24, we write just 4 and we regroup 2.
The 4 D's in the 2 in the
That's 2
C.
in the comma.
The 2 in the comma, that's right. Why we're not going to write number 2 here, class? Why we don't write this number 2 here?
2,000.
Why? Because more numbers.
Yes, we don't have more digits. We don't have more digits. So we finish 6 times 4 is 24. We don't have more digits. So we write it down 24 here. And we write the comma because we are 2,000, as Marcelo says, 2,412. Excellent. Okay.
Estimate.
The estimate. Okay, remember when we estimate, we can say 600
The
times 4.
estimate
What is the
not
answer of
over
600 times 4? 600 times 4.
Do you have to write the estimate?
24,000.
24, that's right, and we copied that to 0. So 24, it's going to be 2,400. We're close. That is the estimate. What is going to be the estimate for this one? Well, we can say 2,000 times 7. What is the answer of 2,000 times 7?
For 1,000, no.
Or 7 times 2. 7 times 2?
14,000.
14. And we
15.
excellent, 40,000. Now let's find, that is just an estimation. So it means our answer is going to be
Sorry.
close to this number.
7
Mhm,
multiply 5, sorry.
30, that's right. 7 times 5 is 30, class?
35.
No,
35.
35. We write 5 and we regroup 3. That's right, Hermes. 7 times 3 plus 3. 7 times 3 plus 3.
24.
24.
24. 7 times 3, 21 plus 3, 24. So we write down number 4 and we regroup the 2 class. Now 9 times 7 or 7 times 9.
40, no.
50.
63. 63.
63 plus 2.
60.
65.
65. So we write down 5 and we regroup number 6 because we have more digits. 7 times 1 plus 6.
7 times 1, 7.
7 plus 6.
13.
13. Fernando, that's right. So we have 13,000.
The comma.
545.
13,145.
I am Gabriela.
Gabriela?
I don't understand how you usted cómo suma. ¿Qué suma?
Okay, that's a good question. We
7
multiply
con el
7
5,
times 5.
7 con el
35.
3.
Okay, we have
Yes.
35. So we write number 5 and we regroup 3 tenths. Now we multiplied 7 times 3. What's the answer of 7 times 3, Gabriela?
7 times 3. 21.
21. 21 plus 3. This number 3 is the one that I'm adding here. That's why I wrote it here. I write this number here. 21 plus 3.
21 plus 3. 24.
24. So I write 4. I regroup 4 tenths and copy that 2 in the hundreds. Now I continue 7 times 9. And then your classmate says it's 63. 63 plus 2. You need to write the number where it is. If you forgot, imagine that you forgot to write this number 2, you're going to write 63 here, but that's not the answer because you need to add this number 2. That 2 that we regroup. That is the number that I'm adding, Gabriela. I don't know if that was your question.
Yes, that was my question. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Any other question, class? Any other question? No?
No.
Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Estimate number 4. Let's see. 9 times 5. What's the answer of 9 times 5? Or 8 times 5. Let's,
Sorry.
8 times 5. 45. Okay, and 8 times 5?
What?
8 times 5, 40. Okay, let's
40.
make the estimate with 40. 40,000. Okay, we have now $8,326 times 5. We multiply 6 times 5.
30.
It's
40.
That's
30,
right.
30.
So we write a 0, we regroup the 3. We need to write the
40.
number 3 on the tenths. Don't forget to write this number because that's going to help you to multiply and add this. 5 times 2.
10.
10
Plus
plus
3.
13. 13, that's right. So we write down here number 3. And we regroup 1.
One is a 3.
That one on the 3. 5 times 3.
15.
15.
15 plus
15.
1. 16. That's right. So we recruit number 6 here and write number 1 on the number 8 on the 1000.
2, 8.
Marcelo, 8 times 5 or 5 times
40.
8.
35.
45.
40.
40.
40.
8 times 5, 40 plus 1.
41.
41.
41. That's right. So we write the comma. Remember that we write the
Times 5.
8
5.
times
41,600.
41,630.
630. That's right. And dollar. Let's write it down, the sign of the dollar here. So that is the answer, 41. Remember that 8 times 5 is 40, but we are adding 1 that we regroup, so it's 41. We copy 41 because we don't have more numbers to multiply. We don't have more digits. We just have 4 digits. So we write it down 41. 41,630. Okay, let's continue next exercises. Work by yourself, class. You are going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by yourself. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to work by yourself in
But,
those exercises.
Can you do
But
that?
we have to estimate.
No, don't estimate, don't estimate. Just make the multiplications.
Okay.
Just the multiplications. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes. I'm going to take the attendance while you're working on that. Ana, Andrea, and Camila.
Present.
Andrea. Andrea, Camila is here. Andrea is not connected. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yes or not? Gabriela, Isabela, and Kiara.
Present.
Present.
Kiara is here. Yes. Lucia, Mia, and Rebecca.
Present.
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 Excellent. Rosa, Valerie, and Silla.
Present. Present.
Okay. Sian is here. Valerie. Valerie is not connected. Okay. Alberto, Dani, and Fernando.
Present.
Present.
Excellent. Hermes, Joshua, Caleb.
Present.
Caleb is here. Joshua, Hermes.
Only just
Present.
Hermes is not here, right? Marcelo, Santiago Hernandez, and Santiago Chavez.
Present.
Santiago Hernandez? No? No, it's not here. Okay, did you finish class? Do you finish to work in exercise number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10?
Yes. No,
Yes, Mia?
no. No, Miss, no.
Just find the answer. Do not estimate. Just the answer, please. Lucia, tell me.
I won't participate in a number 6.
Number 6, you finished number 6. Okay, tell me, what is the answer of 2,900 times $7?
0 plus 7 equals 0.
0 times 7.
7, 0. 7 times 9 equals 63.
Mhm.
2 plus 2 times
Times.
7
Mhm.
equals 14 plus 3 equals 17.
Okay, 7 times 2, 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6.
14 plus 6.
20.
20, that's right. So 20,300. That's the answer. Excellent. That is the answer, class. 20,300.
I have
Gabriela?
the answer of 5.
5. Okay, Gabriela, what's the answer of number 5?
26,528.
528. That is the answer, class.
Yes.
26,528.
No.
No.
Bueno, es que no sé cómo decirlo, pero.
Try it. 428.
No, yo ni se lo puedo decir en el chat, Miss, porque es bien
Yes,
largo.
and Isabella, tell me.
Is
26,528.
26,528.
26.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. 26. I listen 76. I don't know,
No.
Gabriela, if you have 26. 26,000, Gabriela, do you have 26,000? Yes?
No, I have 28 in 26. Yes.
26. Okay, yeah, it was my mistake. I listened 76, was 26. Excellent. That is the answer, 26,528. Now, who has the answer for number 7? Who has the answer of number 7?
Teacher, that two no debería ser un.
6 times 3. What is the answer of 6 times 3, Rebecca?
18.
18. So we write it down. Number E, 1. 6 times 2 plus 1.
13.
13. So we write number 3, Fernanda, and 1. 6 times 1 plus 1.
7.
7. That's right. 6 times 4. What's the answer of 6 times 4?
24.
24. So that is our answer, right? 24,738. That's right. Who has the answer of number 8, 9, and 10? If you finish 8, 9, 10, tell me so you can tell me your answer and we check. I'm going to give you 2 more minutes to work on that.
Finish.
Finished?
I have the answer of the 8.
You have the answer of number 8. Gabriela, what's the answer of number 8?
Is 7,572.
22. Okay, let's see. You have the same answer, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
Yeah.
24,70. Es que no. 24,70, 33 o no.
Which one? Mia?
Yo se lo digo en el chat, ¿ok? Yo sé cómo escribirlo. 20.
You know how to write it down, but you need to say it also orally.
Tenés que decir.
In English,
Sí,
Marcela,
shut up,
in
mouth
English,
girl.
English. Okay, 7,572.
Yeah.
24,738. What is that answer? That
The
is
answer, the number 7.
okay. Do you have the same answer of number 8, Mia? Number 8?
No, number 8. Oh,
Yes.
no puede ser.
Okay, don't worry.
Yo le voy
Yeah.
a dar la respuesta, tal vez es que no.
Okay,
Nueve.
work on number 8, Mia. Number 9 and number 10. Who has number 9 and number 10? Khaled. Let's give the chance to Khaled, Gabriela. Khaled, 9,042 times 8.
2 times 8,
16, okay. 8 times 4.
6. 8 times 4. 3. 20. 23.
Which one?
No. 8 times 4. 30.
30. 8 times 4 is 30. 32 plus 1. 33. That's right. So we write 3 and we regroup the 3. 8 times 0, Khaled. 8 times 0.
0.
0 plus 3.
Or have that 3 and 3.
So it's going to be 3. Excellent. Now 8 times 9.
72.
72. So what is our
Comma.
answer here in the comma?
Comma.
What is the answer here?
72,336.
Excellent. That's the way. Excellent. 72,336. Excellent. Now, who has the last one? Number 10. 3,286 times 5.
Me.
Gabriela. No, let's give the chance somebody else. No, Gabriela. No, Khaled. No, Lucia. No, Rebecca.
I
Somebody
have
else.
the answer.
No, Mia. Somebody else.
Yes. Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Let's give the chance to participate somebody else. Let's see. Camila, Donnie, Joshua, Isabella. People that has the camera off. You need to participate. Let's see. One of them. Camila, Donnie, Joshua, or Isabella. Give me the answer of number 10. Isabella, you want to share the answer?
Yes, it is 16,430.
16,430.
Number 1, sorry.
That is the answer that you have, class?
Yes.
Yes, Gabriela. Lucia, is it your answer?
Es lo que hay que poner el todo
Yes.
arriba.
That's right. That's
Yes,
right.
miss.
That is the answer, 16,430. You multiply 6 times 5, then you multiply 8 times 5, 2 times 5, and 3 times 5. Yes, that is the answer. Excellent.
What is the estimate?
The estimate, don't worry, the estimate, we can say that for number 10, it can be 15,000. 15,000 can be for number 10, 15. But it's not too much important because if you remember estimate, it's to multiply like this, 3,000 times 5, and that is the answer of your estimate, that it's 15,000. That is the answer of your estimate, for your estimate. So that is the way that we can find the estimate for the numbers. In this case, this one is going to be 9,000 times 8, 4,000 times 6. But it's not too much important. What I want to know is that you multiply these numbers. Now, let's go to the next part, the last part in this minute that we have, what we have to do. Remember, in the last part, we have to write if it is greater, less, or equal. For example, 5 times 352, is it equal, greater, or less than 4 times 440?
Greater.
How do you know that it's greater?
Greater.
But what has four?
Because 5 times 352 is greater.
Okay, how do you know this? Remember, that is going to be, it's not a homework, but if you want to work tomorrow, we're going to continue with this. You need to multiply this first, class. You need to multiply then this one to know which one is greater. 5 times 352. You multiply 352 times the 5. That is the way that we're going to find which one is greater or less.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we need to multiply to know.
Okay.
According to the answer, we multiply the 440 times the 4. According to this, we're going to identify which one is greater or less or equal. So we multiply this
Not
to
in homework.
find it
miss.
out.
Not.
No, tomorrow we're going to continue. If you want to work by this, go ahead, work by yourself. Tomorrow we're
Okay.
going to find the answers of this and we're going to continue with more exercise.
Okay.
Okay, any question about math? Tomorrow we're going to continue with this, so no homework, but if you want to work on this, it's okay. Bye-bye,
No.
see you next class.
And
Bye-bye.
bye.
No.
See you after music.